All right, happy Monday, everybody. Let's get this stand-up meeting started. Bob, why don't you get it started for us? Oh, uh, sure. Okay. Um,
Oh crap, I hate going first. What on earth did I do
yeah,
last
yeah.
Friday? I seem to remember I did something important and I really want to make a
Sure.
good impression on the new boss. Ah, everyone's looking at me.
Has this ever happened to you? Have you been that dev? Put on the spot. Mind suddenly goes blank. Everyone's staring at you and you feel like you're blowing it. Well, don't worry. We've all been there. But if Bob's team had been using Sleuth, this story would have a very different ending.
You see, Sleuth is your team's deployment mission control, tracking code and feature flag changes, monitoring their health, and keeping tabs on all sorts of developer activity. Sleuth is easy to get started with as well. Point Sleuth at your team's repositories. Tell Sleuth when you deploy what change to what environment, and Sleuth will be plugged in to track all your team's activity. Connect Sleuth to Slack, and among other things, you have a powerful Sleuth command at your disposal, including a smart stand-up report. It gathers your activity and presents your deploys and pull requests in an easy-to-digest report, not just for your team, but for you at that crucial moment in front of everyone.
Now let's see how the story could have ended had Bob used Sleuth. Sure. So on Friday, I shipped a new login experience and the customers have been claiming for, and I created a pull request that fixes the bug that affects mobile. Be prepared, be confident, and be seen with help from Sleuth.